He's the chairman of everything. And when you reach that kind of paramount status in a single-party Leninist system like China has, you don't give up power. You don't give up power when you've attained that status. The only way I think probably Xi Jinping will leave power will be in a coffin. I don't think that he's going to voluntarily give up even portions of his power. And I would love to see more moderate people, their voices again sort of rise in the Chinese system. I think that those people are terrified. Many of them have either left or they are quiet right now in that system. I see no signs of, even though undoubtedly there's an enormous amount of unease with how badly the Chinese economy is doing, a lot of disappointment or anger at things that Xi Jinping's doing. I see no evidence of anyone of stature in that system directly criticizing or disagreeing with Xi Jinping.